peasant car is that? With a cone behind them. What is this? pH? Are you a chemist?
That's right, yeah. We make pH balance up there.
What? Where are we? Where are we? I don't know where he's taking me, but a strange man's telling me to go into his place. You guys have no idea who this person is yet. Wow. Holy crap, how did I end up here? Look at this view. What the heck? What? Damn, talk about a creative space. Look at this. And a forever. Let's go outside. Wow. What the hell? Check out this view. Wow. Definitely can take millennial pictures here. Let's wander upstairs. Look at this bedroom view right here. Whew. That's intense. Dude, at nighttime must be so nice. Wow. When we hop in, are we taking your car? Yeah. When we hop in the Ferrari, I'll explain to you who this guy is. If you've been watching my snaps or my Instagram, you've seen him in there. We make, Scott and I, we make fun of his 4x4. Dreams, goals, one day. One freaking day, guys. I'm gonna record right now. Today's gonna be an interesting day. I'll take you guys with us, just trust me, okay? In the meantime, we're gonna hop into the Ferrari. Why soda fancy, mister? Man, look at this. Ooh, I'm just groping your car now.
You already fisted it.
Oh, I did fist it earlier. Oh, good touches. Oh my God. I missed it. Hello, hi, sorry. She's looking at us like. Oh man. Who are you? Nobody. When we get to a quieter place and a more stable part, I'll explain to you who he is. What are we doing here today?
We are gonna turn off a service light that came on even though the car came in for service, but the light's still on.
Ferrari problems, right? Oh, life is so hard. I got a confession, I've never been in a dealership with a Ferrari.
With the Daytona.
Oh, yes, yes. Ooh. Upstairs, let's check it out. What's upstairs? What's up here?
A couple 458s, 488s, Super America. There's a little Ferrari that we have on display here as well.
Wow.
Yeah, we've got a 16M, 2009, so last year model. Got about 2,800 miles.
Wow. What color, guys? What color should I pick? You guys know I like white cars right now. This is amazing. Dang, this thing looks fast just sitting here. Speechless right now. Look at all this. I'll show you guys this one. This has a factory matte black roof. Look at this.
Yeah, right?
Matte black factory.
Usually they'll gloss black, but this one's done in the Ortega, which is pretty.
What color would you guys pick anyways? This black has like a kind of a pearl to it, which is really nice. I've never owned a black car. I've had a red car before. Pick one. Which one would you guys pick? This one or this one? These cars are sexy, aren't they? I know some of you guys are Ferrari fans, some of you guys are Lamborghini fans. Which one do you guys like more? I'm kind of leaning towards the Ferrari just because it's like very clean. The interior is really nice. I've driven it before on a track and they handle so amazing. I've also driven the SVs and they're amazing too, but the Ferrari feels like next level. So that's a 15 you said? And that's an 18? Okay, so 458 and 488. Ooh, look at the motor. Check out the 15. Okay, this is an NA. This is a twin turbo. The rear on this one is so badass. Check out the motor. Omar over here made a really bold statement in the Ferrari dealership. Oh, we're gonna make it public? I mean, we can try. Like, if we shoot for it and we don't hit it, we'll get really close though.
Like over time, he's been telling me how much he likes the 458, and he and I have been thinking about doing a little bit of business together. So I told him, I said, our goal is, this was supposed to be in private, but now he wants to make it public. Our goal is, end of this year, is for him to own a 458. I want him to get rid of the, you know, all the vape cars he has. 458, that's our goal by the end of December. So we were in here, I had to get a light reset in here, brought it in for service, and they had forgotten to reset the light. Yeah, even Ferrari forgets to do nice stuff. So anyway, in any event, we were in here and I ran into my sales guy, who's a really nice guy, Daniel over at South Bay Ferrari. So we talked to him and I told him, I said our mission is December for him to be in a 458. So
I'm in yours now.
no, for him to drive his own.
Okay, so super bold statement, but what this means is we're gonna set a goal and we're gonna try to hit it. If we don't hit it, we know we'll get really close.
No, we're gonna hit it.
Okay, so he's super confident.
Yeah,
so
we're gonna.
Fingers crossed, we never know where life's gonna take us. We're just gonna work really hard. We're up to something. Yeah, stay tuned. Subaru! We've seen a lot of Subarus out here. Not working out for me, Here's his other car, M3. You got little kitty prints. What the hell? Setting off alarms, huh? Thing is loud. I didn't expect that. Always sets off alarms here. The struggles are real. Moving the Ferrari to move the M3 out so I can park in the M3 position, and we'll take the M3 to work, to his office. First world problems, right? Such a crazy day. I'm really glad you guys are going with me. Really great people. We're meeting amazing people. These people have a lot to teach, which is something that I want to take you guys with me on. It's not just me teaching you now, it's other people that are higher than me that can teach you. Dang, Speed Racer M3 manual. You are a real car guy. Real car guys have to drive stick shifts, according to the internet.
My wife calls non-stick cars electric wheelchairs.
Electric wheelchairs, so true. Guess where we are? Omar's office. Check it out. How's it going? Fancy, mister. Fancy. A foot hammock, I've never seen such things in my life. This is what bosses look like, huh? I'm doing something wrong with my life. A 34 screen, that's crazy. Just love this office setup.
Megan?
So nice. So we have a sock design coming soon. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what's going on.
Well, we got a GTR sock in a few different color options.
Cool, very cool. So I have to pick 3?
Yeah, pick your favorite.
Oh
3.
man. So I like this one. And which one do you like?
I mean, I'm a big fan of the red one.
This one?
You know, like, well, actually,
Right.
like, red sports car. I think it's very like iconic for sports cars.
Right. Okay, so let's go with this one and this one. Let's get Omar to pick the 3rd one.
Good choice.
Let's see. Omar,
Well, can you the next set because I don't have anything.
you gotta pick the 3rd one.
3rd one.
3rd sock. Okay, so far we have this one.
I knew you guys would pick that.
And I think we should do this one.
Okay. Then I mean, his car is that color, so I think we should do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Works for me.
I'm into it.
Let's do the maroon. All right.
I hear there's a nap room in here. You guys want to see the nap room? What the heck? There's a nap room in here. Guys, I used to live right down this street right here. Super ghetto. I remember coming home one time, the cops were chasing somebody down the street, and I was like, what's going on? Apparently someone climbed up the 2nd floor, broke in, hopped off, cops chased him. Yeah, back in the day. Oh, by the way, there is this, I think either Burger King or Wendy's, but that's where we started the name Primal, right down the street. We end up Pasadena, right? Pasadena. I guess we're meeting some important people, including Sean. We're at lunch with some cool people, but Sean ends up giving this. What the heck is this? From Taiwan, you said?
From Taiwan.
Oh, okay. So pretty. Seeing Ferraris everywhere. Is it a sign? Omar took us off. We are somewhere in East LA. Do you realize you haven't introduced yourself yet? And who the heck you are? Who are you, Mr. Mysterious Man?
My name is Omar Saeed. I am the co-founder and CEO of Ties.com. We do really cool stuff for men's fashion accessories. We do really cool socks. I also run a subscription box company called Guapbox that does everything that we do on ties.com, but you know, takes the guesswork out of it. So we basically curate the box specifically for you, and no two boxes that go out are the same exact thing. And then yeah, I run a sock company called Sock Genius, which is a really fantastic product that I absolutely love. It's actually one of my favorite hobbies right now, is to come up with all these cool sock designs, and then we have a really awesome designer who designs them all. Yeah, that's me.
Exciting, isn't it? Another business owner, entrepreneur. He is light years ahead of me of what I do, so his knowledge is really helpful for us. So we're up to something. If you looked at my Instagram post and my Snapchat, you guys know that we're up to something. So stay tuned, maybe in about a week or two.
Yeah.
We should have something going, so I'll let you guys know. In the meantime, I'll fast forward you guys back to Long Beach. 5 hours later, here we are. The cars look good. One day, inspirational words, give me a sentence.
You can always make things happen as long as you have the right attitude and you're willing to work hard.
Wow, this is better than expected. Oh my God, my car is loud. Currently getting gas, but what's up? Dude, look at this. How's it going, dude?
It's been a while since I haven't met you. I remember we went to the meet on December 24th, if I still remember.
What?
I remember you did the whole 9 yards, dude.
Yeah.
Pretty lit.
That's
dude,
crazy.
It's nice seeing you, dude.
Good seeing you guys.
I gotta see him, dude.
Yeah.
You're good, man.
See you, dude.
Nice seeing you, dude. You good?
Look at this. Dude, 4Runners are legit. That car right there is one of the top picks for off-road vehicles these days. Guys, so in the distance here, if you see the apartments, I used to live right here. Oh, it's right over there in college. I spotted a Subaru, white hatchback. Oh, so many things I want. I like it. Hi dogs, you're cute. I'm home. You guys both have scarves. So cute. Hi baby girl.
Mom.
I'm not Mama and Papa. I love you. I love you. You want to say hi to everybody? Yes. How's your day? Yeah, it was good. Did you get extra cute today? Why she's so cute. You want to end the vlog for me? Yeah? I heard you were kind of fussy today. Alright guys, today was amazing. Aaliyah's over here, Iris is over here. If you guys watched today's vlog, just remember today. Today is like at the beginning of something amazing and interesting. I don't know what it is yet. I kind of know what it is, but it's something really cool. As usual, you guys always stay with the journey. You guys get to see what happens. I will take you guys with me. Whatever I learn, I will show you guys. But big thanks to Omar for spending the day with me. Big thanks to Iris and Aaliyah for letting me work today. And oh my goodness, she likes the camera. Good night guys, thanks for watching. As usual, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Smurfinwrx. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.